Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is ldexp. ldexp function is mainly used to calculate the load exponent of the given argument. So whenever there is a need to calculate the load exponent for the given values, then you can easily utilize this function. To use this function, we need to import the math module. So here on line number 6, we are importing it. After importing the math module, we are here I have noted down three scenarios. So one by one we will see how we are providing the values and what is the output it is returning. So look at the first scenario. In first scenario we are providing the value as 0.75 and 3. Okay, so when we calculate the output, like here on line number 10 we are using this variable result which will hold the output returning from the which is getting returned from the mat.ldexp function, and the input value is 0.75 and 3. So the output for this these past value is 6.0. So let's verify the same. So I will run python space session 97.py. So first output is 6.0. Clear? Now look at the second scenario. In second scenario we are providing the value as 0.5 and -2. So when you calculate the 0.5 and -2 for the load exponent, the output is 0.125. Now look at the third scenario. In third scenario we are providing the one value as 0.2 and another value is 0. So output is coming as 0.2. Okay, so overall thing is that whenever there is a need to calculate the load exponent, in that case you can easily utilize this function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.